So hello, we are Team Krusty Krabs, and our project was social media performance analysis using Langflow and Datastax. So our aim was to take a mock social media engagement data and then query and get appropriate results. So for that, we have used a Datastax AstraDB for operating databases and Langflow for GPT integration and creation of workflow. So yeah, so this is our website and its name is Social Site AI. So now we'll get to know how our workflow or how our project is working. So the first step is data collection. So in data collection, we can gather data in three formats, or we are supporting input in three formats, that is PDF, CSV or XLSX, and the generic text file. So after data collection, we will then parse the data and then store it into our perform pre-processing steps, parse the data and then store it in our AstraDB database. And from that AstraDB database, we will make a vectorized database. So what are the advantages of vectorized database? So one thing is that it is very optimized for similarity search. So what they do is they use indexing techniques such as inverted file index and hierarchical navigable small world graph, that is HNSW, to perform fast similarity searches in high dimensional spaces. The second thing is scalability. So in vector databases are built to handle the storage and retrieval of high dimensional data efficiently. They excel in scenarios with millions or billions of data points where indexing and querying performances are crucial. And the third and the important point is seamless integration with AI and ML workflows. So what they do is that as we know that AI and ML models generate embeddings. So the vector databases are designed to store them and retrieve embeddings generated by those models and then give the output efficiently. So yeah, so the next step is advanced LLM processing, in which we are using the OpenAI's GPT-4o model for our LLM integration with our Langflow model. And yeah, the third thing is and the fourth thing is RAG enhancement. RAG stands for Retrieval Augmented Generation. So what this thing is that it combines generative AI and retrieval systems to enhance output by grounding them in factual data. So it retrieves relevant document from a knowledge base and uses them to generate accurate and context aware responses. And as we know, RAG is widely used nowadays in chatbots, question answering system, and systems for personalized recommendations and all, to improve reliability and relevance. So and then our OpenAI's GPT will will give us strategic outputs on the data inputted, and we'll get to query efficiently and decide our further outcome. So yeah, now we'll show our Langflow workflow here. So here our workflow is divided into two parts. So the bottom part is where we can take a file input. Here I have given a CSV input, and then it is divided into, or the file is divided into various chunk sizes to load it into our vectorized AstraDB. And here, as we can see, we have used an OpenAI embedding to helpfully vectorize the data and store it in the AstraDB. And the top part is where the so yeah, we have taken a component which takes a chat input, and then we have a AstraDB component where it takes the data or the knowledge base which we have imported in the bottom component. Then we parse the data, then the prompt is generated, and in the fifth component here we have the OpenAI model. So herein we select our OpenAI or large language model. We have an OpenAI key, and then we go to the chat input. Yeah. So now we'll move to our implementation. That is our chatbot, which will give us social media analysis. So yeah, now I'll give it a prompt on our existing knowledge database. Yeah. So what I gave an input as prompt as that as a user, I want to post a content say next week based on previous records. So I am asking it on which type of post and what type of platform should I post my content. So yeah, this is the response we get from the GPT. So it is saying that we can use Instagram static images as it has high consistently high engagement, and yeah, there are many options. It has found a pair of post type and platform, so accordingly we can decide and choose what content to post. Thank you.